Teleson smartphone magnetic neck holder. Now this thing is awesome. It's basically a MagSafe neck holder, so you can get those nice POV shots. It's really cool. So you're going to push the button here and it's going to unclip. I think it unclips that side. There we go. You're going to pop this around your neck. First of all, actually, this is like super soft as well. So if you're wearing this maybe like on a hike or something like that, then it's going to be super comfortable. So really nice feel to it. You're going to clip it in and then you're going to get your phone. It has MagSafe here on here, so you're going to clip it onto your MagSafe. But if your phone does not have MagSafe, then it does come with a little sticker that you can put on the back of your phone to make it connect properly. So then you've got these adjustable arms here, so you can adjust the angles that you want there. And just a really nice, comfortable, it's a good height as well, so you can see actually what's going in through your phone and then in front of you as well. It's not too close to your face, which I really like. So this thing is awesome. It comes with a strap as well that you can loop around and connect so that it doesn't bounce around. This thing is awesome. Honestly, so good. Really well made. I use this thing all the time. Highly recommend it. Go and get yourself one.